This is my other sugar baby watermelon plant. As you can see, the watermelon has gotten much bigger now. He don't have many babies coming. He got that one right there, but I'm not sure if it's been pollinated. This one is a little smaller plant. But the watermelon is getting big. Alright. Here's the other sugar baby plant that's in the garden, Mississippi garden. This one is quite big. Is it growing on a fence? We're not sure if we're gonna give it a trellis or not. So you can see it got plenty of flowers blooming, waiting to get pollinated and make fruit. But it also got this sugar baby growing right here. It's not quite as big as the other one on the other plant, but it's growing. It's gonna get there. Alright, so as you can see, we got 3 different watermelon plants growing. Baby watermelons that's getting larger, and the other one got a lot of blooms and infants. There's my update. Happy gardening.